everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious, quick and easy vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make these sweet potatoes. I have 9 of these. I'm going to wash them first with the cold water, then we'll put it into microwave oven. One of the best quick appetizer recipe. You can eat it any time of the day and you will like it. And without wasting any time, let's get started. We're going to have a cold water running. Place the sweet potatoes inside the cold water. If your sweet potatoes have too much dirt on them, then wash it really well. You can use a brush and you can brush them off if there is any dirt. But these are really clean, so we really don't need to brush, and this is good enough. So drain the water. After washing the sweet potatoes, I'll place it in the plate. Just like this. And now we'll take this one to microwave. The microwave I have, it's a convection microwave. I have a tray I can place directly into that, then I have a rack on it. You can place it on top of that as well. But I'm going to leave them on plate, just like this. We're going to close it and we're going to do it for 10 minutes. Start and it will cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they will be all ready. 20 seconds more to go and we are almost done. Within 8 minutes they are ready if they are small ones. Since I got a little bigger one, and 10 minutes is perfect. And if we take it out now, and you can touch it. You can, if they are soft, then they are good. So these are all good. So I'll take the plate out and let me share with you. So this is how you can feel it. They are soft, nice, and if we pick up the first one, look at this. Place it on the cutting board. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can eat it and you can enjoy it. Not that only you can enjoy it, everyone will enjoy it. With the help of knife, so we're just going to run just like this, and we can open it. And as you can see, it peels. It nicely peels out. Just pull it. So with the hand, with the thumb, you just pull the skin. You really don't, just be careful, don't burn yourself. As you can see, it's just opens up nicely. And same thing on the top, just cut through so that you can split it open. I'm just going to show you, get a knife, just like this. You can keep it big or you can keep small. So I'm just going to make sure that run. I have my other plate ready and we're going to place right in there. Look at these. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. This is very delicious and it's a quick and easy vegetarian recipe. You can eat it any time of the day and you will enjoy it. Look at this, the skin. If there is a little bit skin attached to it, then with the help of knife, just take it out. The best thing to do, let it cool down for a couple of minutes before you handle it. The whole skin peeled off. Now I'm going to get the other one. Same thing, we're just going to run the knife right in the middle. The only reason I'm doing it, so when we're going to split it open, look at this, how the skin moves on the side. It's still hot, just be careful, don't burn yourself. And when we're going to cut it, just cut it like this. Let me peel the others and then I'll share with you. I'm going to show you 2 ways how we're going to eat it. Use a fresh lemon. Not too much, just very little, and try it both ways, without the lemon juice and with lemon. black pepper, and salt. Very little amount. This is good enough. On the second one, I'm going to use chaat masala. Try with the chaat masala also. This is really delicious. Very little amount. And this will be perfect. I'm going to taste one of each. Look at this. It's super tasty. Very sweet. And the chaat masala have its own flavor. And this is with the salt and black pepper. So good. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is quick and easy vegetarian, vegan recipe. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.